Hi guys, these topics, what is the database management, defined skill and career traits. The amount of data generated grows more and more every day, and it is shows no sight of stopping. In fact, with the increase the number of internet user segments of the world, data has been created in the last 2 years. Data may be important to business, but repeat data growth can create a number of problems such as pure applications perform and compliant risks. As the volume of data grows, there is increasing need of data management systems handle. What is a data management? A data management system is a software tools and help organization store and retire data from a database. It involves a number of functions that currently collectively work together to ensure that the data is accurate, available, and kept accessible. A data management system consists of three main elements: a physical database that contain the data, a database engines that help to access the data and modify its content, a database squarely which provide the logical structure of the data stored in the database. Type of data management system is a centralized database management systems. All the data is stored in one system and in one place. Anyone who want to access the data has come to a system physically. The disturbed data management system. The data can reside in varieties of nodes, which makes it easier to access them is compared to the centralized database systems. A disturbed data management system is replications data among different servers so that even if one system fails, the data is not lost. Data management system for database system maps is multiples as autonomous database into one large systems. It removes to need to duplicate the source data, which is full in the this type is a device. This type of database architecture is best when the handline distributed integrations project. This is a further related database are the fathers divided into two types. So lastly is a couple. Is a component database is a constructed their own federal system. Blockchain database management system. A blockchain is a referred to data because it's a digital ledger that stores information in data structure called blockchain. Thank you for watching.